Moving plants when you move house requires planning to protect their health and comply with transport rules. Start by assessing each plant for mobility and health, prune dead growth and remove excess foliage to reduce wind stress while transporting. If roots are pot-bound, gently repot into a slightly larger container with fresh, well-draining soil and firm the soil around the roots to remove air pockets. Secure the soil surface with a layer of mesh or breathable fabric and then wrap the pot with a sturdy box or a plastic liner to prevent spillage while still allowing drainage. For long trips, keep plants in a climate-protected vehicle where temperatures stay steady and avoid placing them in direct sun or near heating vents that can desiccate leaves. For interstate or international moves, check local plant import and quarantine laws well before moving day and obtain any required permits or certificates from agricultural authorities. After arriving, place plants in a sheltered spot out of direct sun and wind and acclimate them gradually over a few days to their new light and humidity conditions while monitoring soil moisture closely. Common mistakes include moving plants without stabilizing the soil, which leads to root damage and mess. Solve this by adding a top layer of packing material and securing pots inside boxes so they cannot tip. Another frequent issue is exposing plants to temperature extremes during transit, which can cause shock or frost damage. Prevent this by using a climate-controlled vehicle and moving plants during the cooler parts of the day in summer or midday in mild winter. People often ignore quarantine rules and risk fines or forced destruction of plants. Avoid this by researching restrictions early, getting required paperwork, and, if necessary, arranging professional inspection or transport services. We manage bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing jobs and profiles. We also host a discussion community where members share experiences and ask specific moving and plant care questions.